Hey yo, good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I said good morning, it's nighttime. But man, finally got a garage for the Z, bro. Sheesh, man. Peep it though? Oh man. It's about time, bro. We can finally work on the Z in peace. The windows down. Ooh. Damn. Thing looks nice though. Nighttime, got a good amount of light. To work on it if you wanted to. Damn. A little bit of water in the little lights. I think in the front we might have some too. Yeah. Jeez, man. But yeah, finally can keep it in the garage, work on it, do whatever I need to do. It's good for longer projects. Like I got a lot planned for it now. Yeah, man. Big ass garage too. We had the Volvo outside. Probably can't even see it. But yeah, man. Pretty hype, man. Y'all have some more POVs. It's winter time, so maybe not drive it out around too much. But we got that storage. Then we got this storage. Sheesh. Got some tires. We got fork for the rears. You feel me? Some other shit. But yeah, do a quick little house tour too. It's gonna be quick. Still waiting on things to arrive, stuff like that. But shit, man. Take off the shoes. Sheesh. The lights in here are kind of ass, but shout out to Nick's, bro, for the couch. Damn, the lighting in here sucks, so we're gonna be quick. Little bathroom, sheesh. Literally gonna be quick for that one. Ooh, don't even know what to do. Hey, hold on. Peep though. Let me get the vibe right. Hold up. Where that shit at? Hold on. Ooh, peep. Sheesh, man. The camera probably doesn't do the justice, but this should look fire. On that y'all see. Sheesh. All right, man. We're gonna rush because the camera shit is ugly. Upstairs got a little flower. Ooh, nigga. Oh. She's walking in here. We got the gaming room / editing and shit. Still getting everything set up, but yeah, right now we got everything powered by the MacBook. We got a gaming computer over there. Not too bad. We're just working. Boom. Bathroom, got a little bathtub, kitchen. Man, this cheap ass coffee maker shit broke, so scooped up one of these. Shout out to Russell. Yeah, I can't see it, but we have a big ass balcony. Damn. Not really seeable. And then this room, big as fuck. Doesn't even match the house, but it's pretty sick. Got literally a TV right now. That's it. So yeah, man, little house tour. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what y'all want me to do with the Z. What other videos y'all want. Yeah, boys. Peace out. Thank you for watching.